Hello, wonderful people. Let's dive into a quick and easy way to give your oven door a natural shine. Step 1 is to disassemble that oven door. Always play it safe and refer to the manual for detailed instructions. Just a tiny heads up. Disassembly might void your oven's warranty. It's good to double check. Now, grab a tablespoon of baking soda. Yep, from the box you probably have in your kitchen right now. Add a splash of water. That's right, just 1 cup will do it. Mix the baking soda and water in your measuring cup until well dissolved. Shake it all up in a spray bottle. You're making a powerful cleaner. Want even more of a boost? Say hello to white vinegar. And for that oh-so-fresh scent, a few drops of dish soap. It's time to see this cheap and natural cleaner in action. Spray between those panes and on the outside of the glass. And now, the magic touch. Give it a good wipe and watch the transformation. Let's start piecing the oven back together. Begin with the top parts of the door. And there you have it. A sparkly oven door, the eco-friendly way. Keep shining, everyone.